Today we're going to take a look at an 8 light farmhouse dining room light fixture. Now this was a real large one. It's about 46 inches in wide, all right? So one of the best things I like about this, it gives you options. You could stretch out the chain to be even longer or shorter. Now they give you options to, like I say, make it shorter, and we are going to make it a little short because unfortunately we don't have high ceilings in here. So we love the fixtures to go over our dining table. 8 lights, like I say, it's pretty bright. It depends on the actual lumens that you want to install on the light fixture itself. But one of the best things I like about it, it wasn't very hard. It was simple and it was light enough to fit on the existing fixture that we had. Here we are, screwing everything back in place and making sure it's strong enough to hold this whole thing. The only thing I recommend you guys is to make sure you do the wiring before you mount it. You do require 3 types of wire. You got the ground, hot, and neutral to install. Once you set that up, light bulbs are not included, and there's only 2 screws to hold the whole thing up. But it's very light fixture. Like I said, it's not too heavy. The heaviest thing is the light bulbs, and they're not that heavy to begin with. So once you set this up, they look beautiful in any place you set it up. This will be beautiful, especially like in a dining area, all right? Your kitchen, your entrances, pretty much anywhere. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.